In this video, I'll be speaking to you about the best way to attract people towards you. Everyone wants to attract people, but there are few mistakes we make, and we will be discussing in this video about all that. The first thing what you have to keep in mind always is the way we stand. Our posture matters when we are talking to the person. Whether you're sitting, whether you're standing, everything counts. How you are listening, are you really listening to the person, and appropriately are you compatible, means are you listening at the same time, emotionally are you responding to the person in a right manner. At times we may be in a very good mood, but the other person may not be in that happy mood, so we cannot show that happiness and make the other person feel not that comfortable when the person is with you. So always the three things you have to understand: the posture matters, how you stand, how you sit. Is the person comfortable the way you are standing or way you are sitting? Are you making the person comfortable or uncomfortable? Keep this in your mind. If you sense the person is not comfortable, I think you have to make yourself a bit arrangements where the other person feels comfortable. Like if you are too close to the person and the person is not feeling that comfortable, I think you have to move a bit back and stand. And the other thing what you have to understand is listening plays a very important role, because as soon as we meet someone, we are in a hurry to talk, we are in a hurry to share. But here we go, we should never do it. But instead, when we meet a person, it may be a friend, it may be a known person, it may be anyone. This rule I apply to everyone here, because this is how you attract a person. When you meet a person, you should always listen to the person. You should understand that you are ready to listen, and when you listen, the person automatically get impressed, and he or she wants to talk to you again and again. So listening and the way you respond emotionally and the way you are standing also matters. The next way of impressing a person is the way you smell. Yes, the way you smell also matters. According to psychological research, what they say is vanilla scent, using the vanilla scent helps a person to impress in a ways. How means vanilla is quite famous everywhere, people know it, they are aware of the smell. So what you have to do is use the scent regularly, because this particular scent soothes the other person. Like it has that quality and the property where it has a relaxing and reducing anxiety level, also calms the mind actually. The vanilla essence or scent, whatever you tell it as, always it reduces the anxiety level and soothes the body. That's the reason they use it for many therapies, the vanilla, especially the vanilla essence or vanilla scent. So use vanilla scent on a daily basis, especially for ladies, to attract a person, because finally the other person should feel comfortable sitting next to you or standing next to you. So understand this and you can use it. If it's working, maybe you can continue it in your life. The next you have to keep in mind is choose the right color. Yes, the color matters a lot. Where you will be going, everything matters. So you have to choose the right color to impress the person. Example, if you want to gain attention from people, maybe you can choose a red color. If you're anxious and you're a bit nervous, blue is the perfect color, where it reduces anxiousness and it gives a lot of energy to you. Green gives a lot of energy again, because green is natural, and finally it soothes the person whoever sees you. So you can choose accordingly the color whatever you prefer. If you want to gain attention, red is the best color. The next way to impress a person is confidence. Internal confidence matters a lot. If you're meeting a person, no matter how you are dressed, but the way you are presenting yourself is, there you go, it's a bingo. If you're doing it well, obviously you've been impressed by the other person. So always don't think about anything. If you're not doing it well, means the way you talk, the way you speak, the way you conversate, whatever you say it as, finally your internal confidence matters a lot. The next thing is time. Yes, you cannot make someone wait for you, so always make time for a person. Quality time matters, and managing time to impress a person Exactly. Example, if you have told your friend that you will meet that friend according to this particular time, you have to be on time. You cannot take things for granted at times. So always never make other person wait for you. So keep up your time as much as possible in your life. The next step is read, update, get as much as knowledge. The more you are knowledgeable, the more you've been attracted to people, because people like to know something new about your life, about happening around them, everything. If you're updating yourself in everything around your world, I think you have been impressing lifelong people. So always keep yourself updated with the best knowledge what you have. Read as much as possible, listen to something interesting. GK, general knowledge, also matters a lot. The next step is focus on the qualities of what you have in yourself. Example, if you are a very much creative person, or else if you have the tendency to speak well, you can speak well and impress a person, or else you have writing skills, you have to use it. If you have a quality of kindness, or if you think that is what you have in you, where you can help someone, I think you have to use it more often in your life, because the more you use your qualities, the more you attract people. So if you are a very good speaker, if you are a good writer, I think you have to do all that and polish your qualities as much as possible, so that it will be useful to the other person. So the next step is avoid negative comments. I know it's difficult. If you are giving a negative comment, or if you're receiving a negative comment, it's always advised, avoid it. Please ignore it, because it's just not helpful to anyone. If you want to give a feedback which is a bit negative to someone, I think you have to use the sandwich method, where I had told in my previous videos also, where the sandwich method is you give two positive qualities, in between you put a negative quality, where the person will not feel that you are telling or trying to focus more on negative about the other person. So try avoid yourself giving negative or receiving. If you receive, I think you have to just ignore it. It's just waste of whatever you are, because finally, if a negative comment is making you low, I think you should avoid it and you have to move ahead. This is what I believe it. And the confidence also reduces if you're listening and if you're responding to more and more negative comments in your life. So avoid as much as negative comments. Take it as a way you grow yourself and boost in that ways and improve yourself to be a better person. So the next step is offer words of encouragement. Example, this is the trick I don't want to say this as a trick, but it should come spontaneously in you if you're using it. Like example, if a person comes to you and says that I am a loser, or I can't do anything, I lost something in my life, or my relationship is not going really well, instead of demotivating or not encouraging the person, instead of saying something negative, oh I understand, you shouldn't have gone there, you shouldn't have done this, instead of giving a negative comment, encourage the person and say that no, you are worth more than that, you are capable to do a lot in your life. So encourage the person as much as possible, whoever it may be. The more you encourage, the more people attract towards you. So these are the ways where you can attract people. If you apply it in a right way, right manner, right time, I think you can attract anyone over here. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel I mean, and then please share, comment, and any doubts you have, you can ask in the comment. Thanks for watching my video.